Well, because of the cold weather, the huge snow piles remain, and so do some patches of black ice, but even those will be melting over the weekend. 13 weather ball is red, and that means milder weather ahead, not only over the weekend, but for all of next week. And this view brought to you by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. We forecast 22 for the afternoon high, and so far it's been 22. So that is 2 days in a row with your 3-degree accuracy streak. Now tomorrow we're going to start out with a lot of these high clouds about the area, as we're going to be right around 19 degrees, up to 27 as the clouds thin out at noon. And then we'll call it mostly cloudy, filtered sunshine the rest of the day with highs right around 31 degrees. Earlier this week, Sam sent me this email showing this video made by his 12-year-old grandson, Sam, in honor of his brother's 16th birthday. Trip is his name, and he shoveled the letters over there in East Grand Rapids, and he had a new drone apparently for Christmas, and this is what he did with it. That's very creative for a 12-year-old. Thanks for sharing that with me, Sam, earlier this week. Lots of cloud cover out there right now, none of that blue skies, and as you can see, there might be a few snow flurries out over the lake, but they're falling out of the mid and high clouds, not reaching the ground. What is reaching the ground is down to the south from Kansas, Missouri through Illinois and southern Indiana. Major ice storm going to be going on down there. We're just going to see our clouds thickened up today, but they're going to start to thin out over the weekend. So a lot more sunshine on Sunday, and then a lot of the moisture that's creating this, another round is going to come on up, and that's going to give us a really wet start to our week starting on Monday. How about the longer range outlook? Every Friday we try to show you this graphic. It is looking like it's going to turn a little bit colder toward the end of the month and into the first couple of 10 days of February. Colder than average temperatures over the southeast U.S. We're going to be right on the northern edge of that. Meanwhile, out west, it's going to flip around. It's going to be warmer than average out there. It looks like it's going to stay dry, however, toward the end of the month, early next month. So it may just be cold, and we may just be dry. That doesn't rule out the possibility of some lake effect snow. And again, the west coast is going to get at least a little bit of a break. But tomorrow, we're going to see filtered sunshine. We'll call it mostly cloudy. 26 north to as warm as 32 down south. Up north, you could expect highs between about 27 and 30. Again, you may see a little bit more sunshine here than we will down in the southern counties. Meanwhile, we have a number of river flood advisories and river flood warnings over here in Ottawa County. Highs between about 31 and 33. This is what downtown Grand Rapids will look like. A lot of high-level overcast, but at least a patch or two of some blue. Light winds in the morning out of the east, shifting to the west in the afternoon. Sun coming up at 8:10. Other than that, we'll see the rain move in on Monday. It may start out as a wintry mix early in the day. We'll hit 38 and then up to 51 on Tuesday, and the chance of a thunderstorm as a cold front comes through. That'll drop our temperatures a bit on Wednesday. 13 on target forecast. A little more sunshine on Thursday and especially next Friday as we hit the mid-50s. And then upper 50s next Saturday, a chance of a thunderstorm before a cold front comes through with just some lingering showers on Sunday. So once again, kind of a wacky 10-day forecast coming up.